In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Ethereum to Solana using the Phantom wallet. This guide will walk you through the steps to complete a cross-chain swap between these two cryptocurrencies. First, open the Phantom wallet application on your device and ensure that you are logged into your wallet and that your Ethereum balance is visible on the main screen. If you do not see your balance, you may need to refresh or reconnect your wallet. Next, locate the swap option on the main interface of your Phantom wallet. This feature is typically found at the bottom of the screen. Tap on Swap to proceed to the swapping interface. Once in the swap interface, you will see two fields labeled You Pay and You Receive. In the You Pay field, select Ethereum, often represented by the symbol ETH. This action indicates that you want to exchange ETH for another cryptocurrency. Now, move to the You Receive field and select Solana, represented by the symbol SOL. This selection specifies that you want to receive SOL in exchange for your Ethereum. After making these selections, the wallet will automatically initiate a cross-chain swap using the built-in bridge feature. After making your selections, review the details of the swap carefully. Ensure that the amounts and the selected cryptocurrencies are correct. Phantom wallet will typically display the estimated fees and the expected amount of SOL you will receive. If everything looks correct, proceed by tapping the Confirm button to finalize the transaction. Once you confirm the swap, the wallet will process the transaction. Depending on network conditions, it may take a few moments for the swap to complete. You will receive a notification once the transaction is successful and SOL is credited to your wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.